Howdy y'all, this is the toolbox tour of the 41-inch Master Force. It's here at Dad's. Hold these back. Standard, Mac, deep and shallow, standards here, Stanley, I think, impact sockets. Same thing with these down here. Pittsburgh metric, 1/2 inch deep. Then the 1/2 inch deep, and then shallow. Then some more metric shallows. Standard 3/8, shallow and deep. These icons, shallow and deep, 3/8 metric, 12 points, shallows, metric swivel sockets, star and hex bits, metric 1/4 inch, standard 1/4 inch, impact driver. It's not completely full because I don't have all my tools here. Just ratchets, extensions. Metric, standard, all the way up to 1.5 inch. Line wrenches, stuff like that. And just a random assortment of stuff. Another big old random assortment. Miscellaneous drawer. Screwdrivers, pry bars. Bunch of pliers, stuff like that. I don't have any of my hammers or anything over here, or my power tools, or any of my other stuff over here, really. There's not a whole bunch in this box. Cut and drilling. Just some random stuff. Like I said, it ain't full. I don't have all my tools here, so it works for what I'm doing here.